triple threat, quadruple threat. What made you smile today?
Yung song ko,
Aww.
kanina, nung natapos ko siya, parang, oh my gosh, yun, my song, and the album, and you guys.
Yeah, thank you. Okay,
Thank you
guys,
so much
binabasa
po.
talaga namin yung comments nyo tsaka questions nyo. Keep them coming. Tsaka user hashtag Star Magic Spotlight PressCon. Oo. So, ito naman, basahin pa natin yung iba pang mga ano. Sabi nga ni Ferty15W, I just smiled while watching you, Belle. Your vibes are good. So, ito yung patunay na hindi lang dito nag-exude yung positive aura mo, kahit across the screen. Ito naman sabi, online, do you see yourself doing bida or kontrabida roles?
That's my dream role.
Bida kontra bida pala. Bida kontra bida.
That's my dream role. As of now, that's my dream role. Na parang I've never... Kasi feeling ko iba yung challenge nun, di ba? Parang you're playing, dalawang characters. Siyempre, grabe yung challenge na yun. Pero dream role ko yan.
Oo. Sino raw ang peg mo?
Yung, alam niyo yung, actually, hindi nga yung... Yung Ana. Annabelle?
Annabelle! Oo nga, bida si Annabelle, pero kontrabida siya. may sense yun, Bix. Tama ka dun, Bix. Oo.
Pwede naman yun. Hindi, I don't know. Si Ana I don't know kung
Oo.
tama ba yun.
Okay, ano yung character niya na lang? Sige.
She portrays different types of roles and characters. So, ang
okay.
ganda nun.
Alam ko kasi Angelica Panganiban, Ruby. Bida kontra bida, di ba?
Or like, hindi ko alam eh. Parang siguro basta a good story that, really may push and pull.
Oh, hindi ready na ba tayong makitang magmaldita si Belle? Parang,
Like,
hindi kami
sabi ko,
prepared.
paano kaya?
Oo.
Hindi ko alam pa. Like, syempre, gusto kong aralin and if ever mabigay man, I'm up for it.
Oh, challenge yun sa'yo. Out of your comfort zone yun.
Dream role ko, bida kontra bida.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now, let's go to our next questions. Okay, so sa mga nanonood po sa amin online, keep your questions coming. Ito naman, dun tayo sa next nating question. How do you think is the art of making music different from the art of acting? How do you approach both?
Sorry, natatawa pa lang sa Annabelle.
Winner, di ba? Okay.
Music and acting, it's the same in a sense that you share your emotions. Pero kasi pag acting, parang you have to fill in someone's shoes.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Pag sa music kasi, you make your shoes. I mean, parang you have that freedom kung saan mo dadalhin yung story. Kasi pag acting, alam mo na kung saan ka dadalhin. Pag writing or making music, it's up to you kung ano yung gusto mong ending.
Carve your own path.
Yes,
Ganun, oo.
yes. Ayun siya.
Okay, thank you. Now, dito naman tayo sa isang question also from our online viewers. Don Bell has been going strong for 5 years now. What can you say to Donnie and to your Don Bell fans?
To Donnie, well, thank you. You know, he's so supportive. He really is. And I wouldn't be here without him, you know? So I'm very grateful for him and to our supporters. grabe yung suporta nila. Like, after 5 years, they're there and parang hindi namin sila supporters, parang pamilya namin sila. And nakakatuwa, like, whenever I attend, like, anniversary ng fandom or ano, nakakatuwa na they're more than just supporters. They're actually friends with one another. They've created that environment with one another na parang magkakaibigan sila. So, nakakatuwa seeing that. And we love you. We love you.
Oh, well, sana kinilig din ang mga Don Bell fans, Don Bell supporters na nanonood ngayon. Kami sobrang kinilig kami na una sa lahat, kumanta ka. Tapos, ito pa nga, syempre nag-share ka ng life mo sa amin. So, thank you so much, Belle. So, before we let you go, please invite everyone to listen to your album and abangan ang Tayo sa Wakas.
Yes! Hello. Ayun po. Hello po, guys. Please. First of all, thank you so much po. Thank you to our media and our press. Thank you so much for being here. Ate Ai, thank you so much. To my Star Magic family, thank you. And to everyone that's watching us right now, thank you so much for tuning in. And please stream my album titled Like You. Available na po yan on all digital streaming platforms. And abangan nyo po ang upcoming movie namin, comeback movie ni Donnie Pangilinan, Tayo sa Wakas.
Yay! Thank you so much for being with us kahit sobrang busy mo, Belle.
Thank you so
Maraming
much.
salamat. So sa lahat po ng mga nanonood ngayon, abangan po natin ang Tayo sa Wakas and stream Like You by Belle Mariano, our Gen Z superstar. Thank you very much for joining us once again. This has been Star Magic Spotlight Press Con. I'm Ai de la Cruz, and thank you very much to our special guest for today, our Gen Z superstar, Belle Mariano. Yay!